Hello dear students, I, Mrs. Susha Zadav, your OCM teacher, once again welcomes you all in online lecture series 2021-22 organized by BYK College of Commerce. Students, in previous lectures we will learn chapter number 7, that is consumer. So, today we will learn next lesson, that is marketing. Right student? So let us start. First, content, introduction, then meaning and definition of marketing, then concept of market. There is a 20 free marketing icons. See on PPT. First, introduction. There is a cutthroat competition in almost all walks of life, and business is not an exception. It is a difficult to survive on the basis of past performance in the product market. Innovative and variety of products are introduced in the market, which gives lot of choices to the customers. It is difficult for the companies to retain consumers' loyalty. There are many sources like internet, television, newspapers, magazines, etc. Right student, which are available for collecting necessary information about price, products, companies and types of products and services. Right student, it makes very difficult for the business to retain and expand the brand in the minds of the customers. Marketing is a part and parcel of modern day's life. Marketing is a pervasive in nature and it affects our day-to-day life in every possible manner. Marketing is both an art as well as a science. Competitive environment motivates organizations to understand marketing as a discipline of management. In fact, today marketing is regarded as most important of all management functions of business. Student, marketing arises of the increasing production and lower demand of goods and services over the years. Every organization wants to increase market share by presenting themselves different than their competitors. Marketing is important where the competition is very high. Marketing provides a competitive edge to business. It helps to gain loyal customers through implementing good marketing plan. Convincing somebody to do something or not to do something is a part of marketing. Right student? See, the next is a meaning and definition of marketing. Marketing is a key function of modern management. We are meaning of a marketing. Marketing is a key function of modern management. We are exposed to marketing of products and services and ideas almost every day. Study of marketing plays an important role as every one of us performance marketing activities and one or the other form. Marketing has different meaning based on audience, media, platform and business in changing market. Definition. Therefore, marketing is defined in many ways as stated below. American Marketing Association. Marketing is the activity, set of institutions and process for creating, communicating, delivering and exchanging offering that have value for customers, clients, partners and society at large. Then second definition, Philip Kotler say marketing is a societal process by which individuals and groups obtain what they need and want through creating, offering and freely exchanging products and services of value with others. Then third definition of marketing, World Marketing Association. Marketing is the core business philosophy which directs the process of identifying and fulfilling the needs of individuals and organizations through exchanges which creates superior value for all parties. In digital market can be defined as market which uses information technology for buying and selling of the products or services and facilitate communication of quality, features, price and terms of exchange among them. Right, student? Then next, concept of market. First, place concept of market. Second, commodity concept of market. Third, exchange concept of market. Fourth, area concept of market. Fifth, demand or customer concept of market. And sixth, space or digital concept of market. Concept of market. To understand marketing, it is necessary to understand the concept of market. The term market is derived from the Latin word marketus, which means to trade merchandise, or a place where business is transacted, means buying and selling of goods and services. We are knowing trade means buying and selling of goods and services. Right, student? In simple words, market is the place where two or more parties are involved in buying and selling of goods and services. These two parties involved in the transactions are called buyers and sellers. The transaction of buying and selling takes place with exchange of money or money's worth. There are many concepts associated with the word market, and according to the concept, different definitions of the term market are given below. First, place concept of market. The term market is commonly understood as the place where transaction of buying and selling of goods and services takes place in exchange of money or money's worth. It is the place where buyers and sellers, other intermediaries, come together and exchange goods or services. Right, student? In olden days, place play an important role in defining market, but in the age of information technology, the term market has wider meaning than just a place. Then second, commodity concept of market. In the commodity concept of market, emphasis is given on buying and selling of goods or services. In this concept, the process of buying and selling of goods or services is important and not the place of exchange. In this process, buyer and seller as well as the commodity exchange among them plays an important role. Then third one is here exchange concept of market. Exchange concept of market. Exchange concept of market has given emphasis on exchange of goods or services between buyer and seller. Two parties involved in a exchange of goods and services. Buying and selling of goods. With free consent as well as mutual trust. There should be not be any fraud or mispresentation or undue influence during the exchange. The exchange should be voluntary between buyer and seller. Right, student? Then fourth one is here area concept of market. The area concept of the market is related to exchange concept. This concept gives emphasis on free association between buyers and sellers to fix the price of goods for buying and selling. Next, demand or customer concept of market. Customer is the king of the market. Right, student? One of the important perspective of the market is to assess the need or demand of the customer. Market can be studied from the perspective of demand or customer. According to this concept, the aggregate demand by potential buyers for any products is market. The next sixth space or digital concept of market. Emergency of information technology gave birth to the new concept of the market called as a space or digital concept. New and sophisticated e-commerce portals and mobile applications make the buying and selling easy and convenient for buyers as well as sellers. The communication media like a telephone, internet, mobile, computer, etc. has made direct contact between customer and seller. It is easy for the customers to know about quality, production, features, price, terms and services, conditions, that all of any products of any company. Right, student? A product is analyzed from marketing viewpoint as a core product features, tangible product features and intangible product features. Example, core product features of a car include its capacity to transport passengers and goods from one place to another. Tangible features include color, shape, seats, music system, etc. of the car. Intangible features include comfort, ease in driving, servicing, frequency, etc. Marketing and selling though seem to be similar concepts. Marketing involves a process of satisfying consumer needs. Right, student? Consumer needs or society's needs satisfy. That is the first aim of a marketing. Whereas selling involves actual action by which ownership and possession of goods is transferred to buyers. Right, student? Thank you for watching my video.